Many students dream of starting their own business. The idea of financial independence and creating something impactful is incredibly appealing. However, the perceived barrier of high startup costs often discourages aspiring entrepreneurs. This tutorial will guide you through the process of launching a small online business with minimal capital. It's entirely possible to turn your ideas into a profitable venture without significant upfront investment. This approach offers flexibility, allowing you to balance your studies with your entrepreneurial ambitions. The first step is to identify a business idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and market demand. Think about problems you or others face that you can solve. What are you passionate about? What unique knowledge or abilities do you possess? Consider your hobbies, academic strengths, or even common frustrations. These can often be transformed into valuable products or services. The goal is to find a specific niche where you can offer something distinct and valuable. Before investing time and effort, it's crucial to validate your idea. This means confirming that there's a real demand for what you plan to offer. Talk to potential customers directly. Ask them about their needs, preferences, and willingness to pay. Utilize online surveys, social media polls, or informal interviews to gather feedback. You can also research existing competitors to understand the market landscape. Validation helps you refine your idea and avoid building something nobody wants. With a validated idea, select a business model that suits low capital. Digital products are an excellent choice as they have no inventory costs. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, or digital art. Services are another strong option, leveraging your skills directly. Consider tutoring, freelance writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, or social media management. Dropshipping or print-on-demand can also work for physical products, minimizing inventory risk. Your choice of platform significantly impacts your startup costs and ease of operation. For digital products, platforms like Gumroad or Etsy offer simple storefronts with built-in audiences. They handle payment processing and delivery for a small fee. For services, freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr connect you with clients. You can also create a simple portfolio website using free tools like Google Sites or a basic WordPress setup. Social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook Marketplace can also serve as initial selling channels. Focus on creating a minimum viable product or MVP. This is the simplest version of your product or service that still delivers core value to customers. The MVP allows you to launch quickly and gather real-world feedback. For a digital product, this might be a single chapter of an ebook or a basic template. For a service, it could be offering a limited package or a trial session. The aim is to get something out there and iterate based on customer responses. Even with low capital, a clear brand identity is essential. Your brand is how customers perceive your business. Choose a memorable name and create a simple logo. Free tools like Canva can help you design professional-looking visuals. Develop a consistent brand voice that resonates with your target audience. This includes the language you use in your marketing and customer interactions. A strong brand helps you stand out and build trust. Effective marketing doesn't require a large budget. Content marketing is a powerful, low-cost strategy. Create valuable blog posts, social media content, or short videos related to your niche. Share your expertise and attract your audience naturally. Leverage social media platforms where your target audience spends time. Engage with communities, participate in relevant discussions, and share your offerings. Utilize free email marketing services to build a subscriber list and communicate directly with potential customers. Social media is more than just posting. It's about building relationships. Respond to comments, answer questions, and interact with other accounts in your niche. This fosters a sense of community around your brand. Share behind-the-scenes content or personal stories to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Encourage user-generated content and testimonials. Authentic engagement builds trust and expands your reach organically. Understanding basic search engine optimization, or SEO, can help customers find you online. When creating content for your website or product descriptions, think about the keywords your target audience might use to search for your offerings. Include these keywords naturally in your titles, descriptions, and content. While advanced SEO can be complex, even basic optimization can significantly improve your visibility. Many free online resources offer introductory SEO guides. An email list is one of your most valuable assets. It allows you to communicate directly with interested individuals without relying on algorithms. Offer something valuable in exchange for an email address, such as a free guide, template, or exclusive discount. Use free email marketing services to manage your list and send newsletters. Regularly share updates, new products, or helpful content with your subscribers. This builds loyalty and drives repeat business. Starting a business, even a small one, involves some legal and financial considerations. Begin by keeping your business finances separate from your personal ones. This can be as simple as using a dedicated bank account. Research the basic legal requirements for operating a small online business in your location. This might include registering a business name or understanding tax obligations. Many government websites offer free resources for small business owners. As a student entrepreneur, time management is crucial. Create a schedule that balances your academic commitments with your business tasks. Prioritize tasks and avoid procrastination. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Utilize productivity tools and techniques to stay organized and focused. Remember that consistency, even in small increments, leads to significant progress over time. The online business landscape is constantly evolving. Be prepared to learn new skills and adapt your strategies. Stay updated on industry trends, new technologies, and changes in customer behavior. Seek out online courses, webinars, or articles to expand your knowledge. Join online communities of entrepreneurs to share experiences and gain insights. Continuous learning is key to long-term success. Once your business is generating consistent income, you can consider scaling. This doesn't mean massive expansion overnight. It means strategically growing your offerings and reach. You might introduce new products or services, automate repetitive tasks, or explore new marketing channels. Reinvest a portion of your profits back into your business to fuel its growth. Scaling should be a thoughtful, gradual process. Starting a low-capital online business as a student is an incredible opportunity. It allows you to gain invaluable experience, develop new skills, and potentially create a significant income stream. The journey requires dedication, creativity, and a willingness to learn. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. Don't wait for the perfect moment or unlimited funds. Begin with what you have, leverage your unique strengths, and take that crucial first step today. Your entrepreneurial adventure awaits.